I'm Anuradha Jagannathan. I've been part of Atulya since 7 months. Very happy here because I've made a lot of friends. We all get together between 5 and 6 in the evening and we talk to each other and get to know each other. And I found that Saroja Mami, she sings Carnatic music beautifully.
எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இன்புறுவரும் பாவாய்.
So we formed a small crowd every day. In the evening, she'll sing for us here after activity. I will dedicate a song to Saroja Mami. முள்ளில் ரோஜா கல்லூரும் ரோஜா கண்படாத ரோஜா கண்மணி சரோஜா. She's such a wonderful person. She always tells everybody, it's not enough if I know something, I must have somebody to appreciate what I know. So this I'm giving Saroja Mami, who have selected her as a best friend for today. This we are giving Shanta Mami, who is also a great singer. Hi Shanta. Oh, aren't you Shanta? Friendship is the sweetest form of love. Do you love me? How many times I've told you I love you? I do love you. Yeah. And this is for Durga. This is for Durga Mami, who is also a very good friend who tells a lot of interesting stories.
God decided to meet you. Thank you very much.
This is for Kala. Kala is a dancer from Kalakshetra. She sings also. So she will dance, for our music.
Happy Friendship Day for everyone. Thank you.